Hello everybody, welcome to Salsal Academy. I hope you are doing great. I am Ali Awari, your instructor and tutor of O level. In this video, I am going to teach the rest or the left of the previous lecture or lesson, the types of number. In previous lesson that we have studied just only the natural number and whole number, and also I gave information about O level and IGCSE. So if you are new, you also watch the previous lesson or the first lesson, and this video I'm going to teach all of the rest of the numbers. We start from integer number. What is integer number? Integer number actually the positive, negative include 0, called integer number. If we denote it is set by z, so it's equal to, for example, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. These are called integer numbers. Actually, integer number include positive or natural number, zero, and negative. Also, we can show or actually present by line number. For example, here is 0, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. up to infinite. Here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and up to minus infinite. These are integer numbers. We use integer numbers in different situations. For example, for measuring of temperature. Also, we are able to use the integer number for measuring of inflation, also rate, and different things that we use in daily is as integer number. Next one is odd number. What is odd number? Odd number actually is the number that are not or those numbers are not divisible by 2. If we show it as set or denoted by O, actually, for example, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and etc. These are called odd number. Odd number cannot be divided by 2, or it cannot be present or expressed as a pair. So these are odd number. Next we have even number. What is even number? Even number, those numbers that those are divisible by 2 or can be divided by 2 exactly. If we show it is set by E, actually it's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and etc. These numbers are called even number. Next we have rational number. What is rational number? Rational number, those numbers can be written as a fraction of a over b. These numbers are called rational number. that the rational number include integer number and also fractional number. If we show it is set by, for example, q, for example, 1, 2, 3, and also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. Or fraction 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 0.5, 0.12, and these numbers are rational number, because all these numbers can written as fraction of a over b. For example, 1, we can write 1 actually equal to 1 over 1 when the denominator is not written. On that time, the denominator is actually 1. Or for example, 2 is actually 2 over 1. Or for example, minus 2 is actually minus 2 over 1. Or for example, minus 2 is actually the same. So rational number include natural number. This also natural number and also rational number. Natural number, also integer number. This one is integer number, and also it can be rational number. And also fraction number. These are fractional number. This one is fractional number, and also it is fractional number, and this is decimal number. Decimal number. So these all numbers are rational number. The next number we have irrational number. What is irrational number? Irrational number, those numbers cannot be written as a fraction of a over b. Cannot be written. Those numbers are called irrational number. What kind of number cannot be written as a fraction of a over b? Usually or generally, the rotational number or root number actually. For example, square root of 2, or for example, cube root of 5, or a square root of 12, fourth root of 21, and etc. Include pi, include 0, include e. These numbers are actually irrational number, because when we write this number as a fraction a over b, the result is not terminating and not repeating or not recurring. It actually continues up to infinite. I want to show this one in calculator, so pay attention exactly and keep in mind. For example, when you write square root of 2, so the result is like this. These numbers are not repeating or not actually terminating. It's continuing with different number. It's actually irrational number. Or also, for example, you have square root of 8, for example. This number is irrational number. Or also you have pi here. The value of pi is also, it is like this, not terminating and not repeating. Also we have e here. E is an irrational number, neither repeating nor terminating. So this kind of number called irrational number. It is set usually denoted by P, or sometime also with Q. I don't know what to say in English. These numbers are irrational number. Next we have real number. What is real number? Real number. What is a real number? Real number is the union of rational number and irrational number. Actually, real number, if it is set by R, actually can be rational number and irrational number. For example, -2 or 12 or 14 or -12. They are rational number and also real number, or 1/2 and also 0.5. These are also a rational number and real number. And also it can be a rational number, for example, square root of 5, 4th root of 12, pi e, and etc. These numbers are real number. If we express it or present by diagram Venn, I think it is better. So I write here in a closed figure. For example, this one is natural number. I write or show it set by n. Next one is, for example, integer number. Integer number, I write here by this integer number, and also I write a rational number by the color of green. There is a rational number. A rational number I write by Q itself. Next one is actually irrational number. I write it or denote it set by blue color, for example. This one is actually a rational number. By P, I denote it set. So what is real number? Real number I denoted by, for example, orange, real. It actually include all of them. Actually, the purple color is that I want to show. This is the union of these two sets is real number. It means real number is equal to the union of P and Q. This is a rational number and this is rational number. So some number are that they are not real number. For example, we have 2i, 5i, or for example, square root of -12, and also 2 plus square root of -17, and etc. These numbers are not real number. We will study in the future. These numbers are called complex number or imaginary number. So we will study in the future with details. Other types of numbers are prime number. Prime number. What's prime number? Those number that which has, or actually which has only two factors, or actually it is divisible by only two numbers. One is itself and the other is one, called prime number. If we show it is set by PR, for example, like 2 and also 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and etc. These numbers are called prime number because they are only, if we write factor of 2 is only 1 and 2. It means 2 can only divide exactly by 1 or 2 divide exactly by 2 equal to 1. Other times the 2 cannot be divided by other numbers, so it is actually prime number. And also the same factors of 3 is actual 1 and 3, or in other words 3 is divided by 1 equal to 3, and 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. These numbers are called prime numbers. Next we have composite number. Composite number. What is composite number? Actually, composite numbers, those numbers have more than 2 factors, or can be divided by more than 2 numbers. If we denote it by C, for example, like for 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, and etc. These numbers are called composite number because if we write the factor of 4, it has 3 factors, 1, 2, and 4. It means 4 can divide exactly by 1 equal to 4. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. Or we list the factor of 6. It has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3, and 6. It means that 6 can be divided exactly by 1 equal to 6. 6 can be divided by 2 equal to 3. 6 can be divided by 3 equal to 2. 6 can be divided by 6 equal to 1. So these numbers are called prime number. It should be mentioned that the 1 is 1, the number of 1, not composite number and neither prime number. It is included of none of them, not prime number, neither composite number. It was the types of number. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, please like the video, and if you are new viewer, please subscribe my channel and write a nice comment below. I upload every day in the evening one video. Please watch and practice. Thank you for watching.